Hello creative friends, it's Eugenia from Art Meltemi's Atelier, and today we're going to be talking about how to make marks for grass. Um, there are lots of different ways, and well, the one that I'm currently using is I'm using this kind of brush. And my favorite hummingbird one. It's not called hummingbird, but that's how I call it because it has so much long point in the front, like the hummingbirds. And I will show you now if we think that like a really tiny one give us the marks we want. So I will start with this one first to see what marks is going to give me. Even if it is tiny, it is not actually yeah, it's giving me very thick marks. It is not a bad situation, but let's see what the other ones they will give me. So I'm getting my favorite one, which is the hummingbird. You can use any other liner you have. So let's start, and I'm getting really nice and thin lines that they could be long fir or good grass, or and I like it actually. And now let's see this weird ugly brush will offer me. It cannot be too watery though. Wow, in no time I'm getting very good marks, and actually pretty natural. And then if I go on top with my liner, in no time I have the marks of more realistic grass. And I haven't even used different shades of green, just I just used whatever green is on my palette. So I just want to show you what different brushes can give you. So the point is that we should know what marks our brushes can offer us. For me, this is my favorite one. This kind just show you the difference that cheap brushes cannot really give you the nice marks than some others can, but damaged brushes can give you some really good marks too. So do not throw them. If you have any old brushes that they are scruffy and they look pretty bad and they're damaged, do not throw them. And I will show you actually what happened with this one. I've got another old brush here that actually even if I weight it, it doesn't give me any kind of point, and it's so I will make this one become like that one, and because it has longer fur, it will be very useful for me. So the little story with that, it was that it was a very old brush, and I decided to use it for masking fluid. And as we know, let me put this away because I don't want masking fluid to go on that. So what happened, I just dipped it in, and then obviously I tried to take it out, but once masking fluid goes on, you never get the shape back to your brush. So that's how it ended up have this shape. Now why I dipped it back again? Because it's kind of losing its stiffness because I'm using it that many times, and I thought to make it a little bit scuffier. So simple, just dip your old brush in masking fluid, remove the excess, and then start scruffing up the bristle before it dries up completely the masking. The scruffier it is, the finer grass marks is going to be giving you. So there we go. We have already scruff up our brush. Oh, now they start sticking together. I just have to be a little bit patient. You might need to have a little bit longer nails for this. And if you don't have long nails, maybe you have to ask the help of somebody who has long nails. There we go. And now we will taste it. Let me close this masking fluid because it dries up quickly. Okay, I think it is kind of scruffy enough, and we can actually try it straight away. So there is our pigment. Yeah, totally. Excellent. They're both doing very similar job. And then if I go in with my liner and I give some more defined details on the top. There we go. We have created grass in no time. So that's all I wanted to show you for today. A little trick, how to use your old brushes that they are for throwing. Do not throw them. They will be useful for making funny marks like grass. So if you enjoy this little tip, please don't forget to thumbs up and yeah, subscribe, so we will be talking about more tricks and tips and doing lots of painting, making palettes, in general having fun as artists. And don't forget to click the notification button, so every time that we upload the video, you get a notification, you see the title. If you're interested, you watch it. If not, wait for the next one. So yeah, thank you very much for watching me again, and hopefully we'll see you soon at my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now.